And here what you need to do is to scroll a little bit down and then select iCloud. Here in iCloud we have iCloud storage. We also have managed storage, but we also have photos, iCloud private, iCloud mail, iCloud drive, contacts, calendars, reminders, and we have here photos. As you can see, if you want to turn off iCloud photos from here, and just turn off this button. And now, do you want to download a copy of your iCloud photos to this iPhone? From me, I don't really want, so I'll just tap on the button remove from iPhone, turning off. As you can see here as well, the description of iCloud photos says pretty clearly: automatically upload and store all your photos and videos in iCloud. So you can turn this off as well. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys now in the next video. Take care.